Hello coolers, and welcome back to another massive update from the Spotify Camp Nou. Today we are taking a full tour around the stadium, and there is something big happening in every corner. From Ring B to Gol Sur, from the ceramic slats to the rising structures, the future Camp Nou is starting to reveal itself. And trust me, some of today's details are too important to miss. So let's jump straight into this huge update. The Spotify Camp Nou transformation is becoming more impressive every day. Today, we focus on Ring B and the second cantilever area, where future third-tier fans will enjoy the new stadium experience. There is strong movement across this section, with workers building concrete block walls and shaping important interior spaces. This summer is a key moment for the project, as teams can move faster without matchday interruptions. Toward Gol Sur, the cantilever zones are also being prepared, while the biggest highlight is the TC2 crane returning to action and lifting a new pillar. Now the next exciting step could be the placement of the radial beam, bringing Barca's future home closer to its spectacular final look. Here on the lateral side, the first thing we notice is the new work around the middle section. Some pillars are already being built, and this area is starting to take shape more clearly. We can also see that the decorative slats are progressing. Last week, this section looked more empty, but now there is visible development. There is also a lot of material placed around the zone, which shows that more installation work is being prepared. There is a lot of activity on this side of the stadium. An excavator is working in the area. The reason is clear. Work is continuing on the diamond-shaped structures of the lateral side. Here we can see the second diamond being built, while further ahead, the third diamond is also visible. These are part of the 3 remaining diamond structures that are now moving forward step by step in this area. Around the site, we can see several work zones with tools, construction material, and logistics areas for the workers. This part of the stadium is being organized very carefully, and it gives the impression that more phases of work are being prepared here for the future, which can help the work move more smoothly and efficiently. Another important moment today is the movement of a radial beam in the Gol Nord area. From this angle, we can see the beam being lifted and positioned as part of the ongoing structural work. We can also see the first pillar for the compression ring. When we zoom in, the detail becomes much clearer. This is an important part of the stadium structure, and the visible work here shows that this area is being prepared for the next major steps. Another positive sign is that workers are beginning to remove material that is no longer needed. We can see bags and construction items being cleared from the site. This helps make the area look cleaner and more organized. As the stadium continues to develop, clearing unused material will make it easier for the next stages of construction to move forward. In the Gol Nord area, there are many platforms around the structures for the decorative slats. This shows that the area is being prepared for the next installation stages. Once everything is ready, the placement of more slats should become faster and more noticeable. Looking at the different cores of the stadium, we can see how important these areas will be for movement inside the new Camp Nou. According to the current update, each core will include many stairs and elevators, helping fans move more easily through the stadium. Now we can clearly see the ceramic slats being installed in the Gol Sur area, which is a very exciting sign of progress. There are already 2 active teams working on the slats, one in Gol Sur and another near the lateral side toward Gol Nord. With many pallets and prepared boxes on site, the installation can continue smoothly and gain more speed this week. The store diamond is also moving forward strongly and could become one of the first completed areas, along with the future museum on level 45. Now we move toward the Tribuna side, where we can see the escalator area. There is visible movement here as well, and this part of the stadium continues to show strong signs of organization and preparation. From the viewing point, the Tribuna looks active, and then we get a big surprise. The second escalator is now visible on the Tribuna side. This is a great sign of progress and definitely something worth celebrating. Thank you so much from the heart for supporting the channel and for following every update. We will continue watching the progress of the Camp Nou, seeing how the work evolves, and sharing every important detail with you. Make sure to keep following this journey here on the channel. Thanks again, Culés, and see you in the next construction update.